The best way to capture a moment is to pay attention. This is how we cultivate mindfulness. Pro number 1: stress reduction. It's one of the biggest benefits of mindfulness meditation. Studies show that regular practice lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone. It helps you relax and creates a sense of peace. Over time, it can change how you respond to stress, making you feel more balanced and less reactive in tough situations. Pro number 2: improving physical health and sleep. Mindfulness can lower your blood pressure, slow your heart rate, and help you manage chronic pain. It also boosts your immune system. There is research showing that mindfulness helps reduce inflammation, which is a big cause of a lot of chronic illnesses. It also helps you sleep better. Studies show that people that meditate regularly have less time awake overall at night. Some people also see improvements on the Insomnia Severity Index. It's a tool that's used to check for insomnia. Pro number 3: reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to ease symptoms of depression and anxiety, especially when it's used in programs like mindfulness-based cognitive therapy. It combines regular cognitive therapy with mindfulness techniques to help people break the cycle of negative thoughts that often come with depression. Pro number 4: changes in brain structure. Mindfulness can actually change the structure of your brain. For example, people who practice mindfulness for a long time show more gray matter in areas linked to learning, memory, emotional regulation, self-awareness, and understanding other perspectives. These changes are tied to better mental clarity and more flexibility in thinking. Pro number 5: improving quality of life. Mindfulness is also linked to feeling more satisfied with life, having more energy, feeling hopeful and optimistic. It also helps develop traits like agreeableness, diligence, self-esteem, autonomy, and a sense of competence. People who practice mindfulness are also more likely to be forgiving and empathetic. Plus, it boosts self-compassion and helps you be kinder to yourself. Pro number 6: improving emotional regulation. Mindfulness meditation helps you manage your emotions by increasing or decreasing activity in certain parts of the brain. There is more activity in areas tied to self-awareness and controlling emotions. This can help people handle tough emotions better, make them less emotionally reactive, and more able to deal with challenges calmly. Reduced activity in the amygdala suggests that people experience lower levels of negative emotions like anxiety and fear. Pro number 7: improving attention and focus. Mindfulness helps improve attention by teaching you to focus on the present moment. Research shows that even short mindfulness sessions can boost focus and cognitive function. This makes mindfulness especially useful for people who have trouble with focus and productivity. Pro number 8. Boosting longevity and cognitive health. Mindfulness might help slow down cognitive decline that happens with aging. Studies show that people who practice mindfulness may experience slower thinning of the brain's cortex as they get older. That's the part of the brain important for memory and thinking skills. If you know someone who is not convinced about meditation and who must see these 8 amazing benefits, share this video with them. Have you tried meditation? What do you think about it? Share in the comments. Check out this 5-minute guided meditation for beginners and start enjoying all its benefits today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.